Are you gonna start talking though?
Yeah.
Okay, ready to go now?
Yep.
Hi, Jennifer. This is Ole from Minnesota, home of 10,000 lakes and lots of good fish. I'm going to give you some birthday greetings on day 2 of your birthday month. So,
Ole!
yeah.
Have you sung to Jennifer yet?
No, I haven't yet. You know, I've been waiting for you to come in and help me.
But Ole!
So bring your yunk here and come and sit down alongside
But
me.
I'm busy, Ole!
That don't cut nothing. Just come over here and sit down.
Okay.
Okay. Oh!
Oh, sorry.
Whoa, get that up in there too. Okay, Lena. I know you got a sense of humor, Lena, but I didn't think it went that far.
Just a little fun.
Just a little closer.
Okay, happy birthday to Jennifer. This is day 2, you say?
2.
2.
Okay, Jennifer, here we go.
1, 2. Happy birthday to you, to you, to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jennifer. Happy birthday to you.
Hello from Minnesota. We talk this way here, you know. Bye.
See you.
See you tomorrow from South Dakota.
Or someplace.
Okay.